Here's how you can add this neon flow effect on the video that you're editing, or if you're looking to achieve something like this here using CapCut Video Editor app. Let's go ahead and get started. To add the neon scan effect on the video you're editing, at the bottom section, you're going to see these set of tools here. And what you're looking for is the one that says effects. So you're going to go here, effects, then you're going to see video effects. As you tap on that one time here, you'll be taken to all these different video effects. And most of them are free for the most part, and some of them you'll have to pay for in the pro version. So you'll most likely start from this area here, and there's plenty of categories here, starting from the trending. You want to go all the way to the right side until you see the scan one. This is like the coolest section of all the video effects. Then you're going to look for the neon flow here, and once you apply it, you can tap on it a second time to make the adjustments of the speed, intensity, and all that stuff here. Once you've made your changes, you can now take this section right there where you see the neon flow here. You can pull on the tab and have it play across the entire video or the section of the video you want this effect to go into, okay? Now, with all that said and done here, once you're done and you press play onto the video itself, you will get that super cool animated effect here, right? So easy peasy, simple stuff here, not much effort to add that special effect. Like and sub, and of course, thanks for watching.